Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Kindle Unlimited. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device or your computer. Okay, just go ahead and type down Amazon.com. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and go to your account right here. Click on it, hover over hello right here and click on sign in. And just sign in with your Amazon account. All right, and once signed in, just go ahead over to the top left right here. As you can see, we have this section. All, click on it. Now scroll down, or just say stay at the top. You'll be able to see digital content and devices. And as you can see here, we have Kindle. Okay, so what you'll do is just click on Kindle. Now go ahead and find Kindle Unlimited. Click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, you have the free trial in here, or you have the 2 months deal, which will only cost you about $4.99, and it will renew at $11.99 per month afterwards until canceled. Okay, this is by far the best deal right here, as you can use it for 2 months. Okay, just for $4.99. So it depends on you. Just basically select one of these options, and you will enjoy unlimited reading, unlimited listening, and magazine subscriptions. Okay. You can untick this one and just click on Join Kindle Unlimited. Okay, just click on Join Kindle Unlimited right here. Now all you need to do is just enter your card details, or you could go ahead and use your Amazon gift card balance, which is great. Okay, you can tick on this option. You can go ahead and add in some promo codes, hit on apply, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.